So, this is Sunday. Beautiful day. Big events and gals. We'll see how's it gonna go. Cold start. Haha, awesome. Let's try to be somewhere in the middle. So, here we are. Back in Dublin, back home from the holidays. What a beautiful day. Green lights, we have a green light. Yeehaw! Everybody's getting crazy. It's looking nice. I didn't expect this. Yeah, baby! Trying to get out. What a mayhem. That's awesome. I just wonder how much money is in all the helmets, leathers and bikes. Beautiful ass bikes. Mayhem! Hello. Hey. I don't have intercom. I like to be here, but it's too many bikes and I'm lost. That's to be expected. Nice bike. Cool. So, just 1 kilometer from home. Did I say it was a crazy ride? Damn, that was a lot of bikes. Really nice ride. I'm just glad to be home. Plus 11, getting warmer and warmer every day. No salt anymore on the road, kind of. Yeah, still dusty, but not so bad. I'm gonna try to make more videos. Keep updating. That's what we're doing around Dublin.